Look no further than the 2023 Ford Bronco. Zoom in on this seriously rugged Ford Bronco, the impressively capable adventure machine that doubles as a comfortable, connected daily driver. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, touchscreen infotainment system, turbocharged engine, navigation system, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitor. Don't let adventure pass you by. Get into this remarkable Bronco. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.